Imagine feeding your entire family per person for $2 a day. Our breakfast is going to be oatmeal with sliced banana, which is full of fiber. Our lunch is going to be spaghetti with marinara, super quick. And for dinner, we're going to have rice and beans, which is super tasty. Each of these meals is under $1 per serving based on my local Walmart prices, not including ordinary pantry items such as oil or seasonings. First up is oatmeal at 60 cents. You need 4 cups of water, 4 bananas at $1.08. Cinnamon and nutmeg are pantry staples, which are optional, bringing the total to 42 cents per serving. Add your oatmeal to boiling water. If you like your oatmeal more soupy, then add more water to it. It's as simple as that. You can refrigerate any oatmeal you don't use. Then to hydrate, just add some water in a pot or in a microwave safe bowl to heat back up, making it an easy to go meal for a busy weekday. This banana trick is simple, but really helps. Cut the banana while it's still in the peel to avoid another dirty plate or cutting board, and it just makes the sliced bananas that much easier to handle, reducing your time in the kitchen. Next is marinara at $2.38, spaghetti at 49 cents, salt and Italian seasoning are pantry staples and optional, totaling 72 cents per serving. Boil your spaghetti in salted water, bending it once hot so it all fits in the pot, stirring it until the water comes back to a boil to avoid it from sticking. Heat up your marinara in the microwave as the pasta finishes. Make sure to taste test the noodles or throw them on the wall when nobody's looking. Add the pasta straight from the water into the hot sauce so that the starchy water mixes in a bit, making the sauce that much better. To reheat spaghetti, it's best to toss it into a hot pan with some marinara sauce, but if you're in a rush, the microwave works just fine. If you have Italian seasoning, you can add some to the dish. Before I teach my final recipe, I want to talk a little bit more about my family-style, budget-friendly series. Did you realize a staggering 24% of military families face food insecurity? It's unacceptable. That is why Let's Chow has united myself, Stronghold Pantry, and comedian Ashley Gutermuth to address this very serious problem. Through our partnership, we are teaching military families how to make affordable, healthy dinners at home. We are proud to promote culinary education, financial empowerment, and community engagement for our nation's veterans, service members, and their families. Before I begin teaching, I want to talk to you about Let's Chow, which is a nonprofit designed to provide services for military veterans through cooking therapy, cookware donations, culinary education, and business advice for anyone from home chefs to aspiring food truck or restaurant owners. They manage veteran-run food trucks in Annapolis, Atlantic City, Fort Lauderdale, and San Diego. Let's Chow also offers online digital training at their website, where you can find a 10-lesson program that will take you from knife cuts to perfect steak dinner and prepare you for a national certificate in food service sanitation management. As a veteran myself, my hope is that one of these family-style, budget-friendly videos makes an impact on a military family to learn how to stretch a dollar in the kitchen just that much further. Grab some oil from your pantry, white rice at 88 cents, some dry black beans at 74 cents, aroma tomato at 27 cents, a lime at 25 cents, 4 garlic cloves at 28 cents, your seasoning mix from the pantry, and cilantro at 97 cents, totaling 85 cents per serving. You'll need to soak your black beans overnight and drain out the water to properly hydrate them. For this demo, I'm going to make it easy and use some ready-to-go black beans. Get your pan super hot with some oil, adding chopped garlic and stirring until it gets fragrant. You're going to toast the dry white rice after you rinse it, adding a little more oil to get it nice and crispy. If you don't have Sazon Goya, use salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, maybe some chili powder. Any combination of all this works fine. Juice out half of your lime, saving the other half for later. If you don't have a tool, use a fork or just squeeze it by hand and make sure to catch the seeds. Stir in half your chopped cilantro, saving the rest for after the rice is cooked. Add the diced tomato and add your soaked and rinsed black beans. Cook this mixture for a few minutes before adding 5 cups of water. I don't know why I didn't just use a larger container for all 5 cups. I guess I like to wash dishes, what can I say? Cover your pan, letting the rice cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Fluff it up before juicing your second half of the lime, adding the rest of your cilantro as well. Just mixing it all together, it should be nice and fluffy. This is great for a family dinner or making a bunch for the whole week ahead. It also freezes really well, which reheats perfectly in a pan with a little oil. Each of these meals are under $1 per serving based on my local Walmart average pricing, and they taste incredible. If you enjoyed this video, you learned something new, do me a favor. Give this video a like, subscribe to my Hellman's Kitchen YouTube channel. You can also check out my menu planning and budget shopping video where I'll do a deep dive into how to plan a menu for your week for your family. I used to manage an inventory for about $200,000 in the Coast Guard. I'm gonna take all that experience, put it down to bite-sized pieces for you to learn how to save a buck in your own home kitchen. I'll link that video up here and down in the video link below.